The tricep overhead extension is a great way to work your triceps. However, it does require a lot of shoulder mobility, both internal and external rotation, so please be careful when attempting the movement. If you do have the shoulder mobility for the move, hold the band in one hand and reach up overhead and down behind your back. Then reach up your back with the other hand to grab the band. Stand up nice and tall and engage your core. Squeeze your glutes and brace your abs. You do not want to feel this move in your low back. Pull down on the band with your bottom hand to secure it so it doesn't move as you pull up on the band with your top hand. With your top hand, pull the band up and press your hand straight up overhead, extending at the elbow. Feel your tricep work to press the band up overhead. Make sure to press your arms straight up and keep your core tight. Move slowly and maintain control over the band so that it doesn't pull you back down quickly. Complete all reps on one side before switching. Again, if your shoulders are tight, you may want to use this as a stretch instead.